This is soda ash. This is our SLS. It looks like rice. This is caustic soda. This is STPP. This is our booster. This is nitrosol. These are colors. This is sulfonic, and this is our perfume. So this is half liter of water. We are going to be soaking SLS. Where is it? We are going to be soaking this one so that when we finish our preparation, you can add it because it takes time. This is our nitrosol. We'll be adding it to the 20 liters of water and stirring till it dissolves. Stir well and stir till you are sure of your mixture. Next, we'll be adding our XTPP in powdered form. It looks like salt to half liter of water. So every of our ingredient that is left, we won't be adding it directly to the nitrosol, but we'll add it to water first. We'll be adding it to half liter of water before adding it to the major mixture in the bath, so that to avoid those small pores or claws. These are sulfonic. We are going to add it into a bucket. Add half liter of water to it before adding it to our general mixture. So just take note that everything we'll be adding, we'll be dissolving it or diluting it in water before adding it to our main mixture, so that it will not form cocoa or clusters. So when you add your water to this, you'll see that it becomes foamy in nature. Look at it. So that is the reaction. It looks like foam after you added your water. Then we are going to take another bucket. Okay, I added small water. Then in another half liter of water, we'll be adding our soda ash in half liter of water. Mind you, when you want to make your chemicals, you just go there, anywhere that's selling chemical, tell them you want to make 20 liters of liquid soap chemical. Of liquid soap, they will give you all the chemicals necessary for 20 liters of liquid soap. That's why I didn't put measurement. That's why I didn't put it, because they will give you the correct measurement you need for 20 liters of liquid soap, and you will make about 25 liters from it. So this is me stirring the soda ash mixture very well and adding it to the former mixture that was on ground. So this is how it will look like. It will be much foaming. It will be so white. My name is Victory, and I know this will be very helpful to someone. Like, share. This is caustic soda, so please be careful of this caustic soda. same half liter of water, and I'm pouring it into the mixture on ground. It's just simple. It's just easy when you mix your main mixture and you mix the substituent mixture in separate bowls. Now I'm adding it into my main mixture, and you see the reaction that occurred. And it's not costly, and it has a lot of gain if you have customers, or if you can go to schools, offices, markets to create awareness for your brand or business. Started to get thick. I'm adding my mixture of SLS that I did earlier to it, and it looks good. So this is my Texapol, 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 and that's my booster. All these things tends to thicken it the more. You have to be very fast when turning it, and very careful so that it will not have clusters. If possible, you can mix your Texapo or your booster in a little amount of water before pouring it into that large amount of mixture. I added my perfume. I'm going with two colors, so I'm going to separate my bath or my containers into two. Watch till the end. So this is my green color. I mixed it with half liter of water, and this is my color pink, which I'm mixing now. Color pink looks girly, and green looks like guys own. Don't mind me. So I'm adding my mixture into the color. You can do it any way you want. You might add your color into the mixture or mixture into together, but because I separated it into two buckets already, that was why I was adding the mixture into it. I so much love the pink. It came out really well, but I felt like the green came out more thicker. About the packaging, if you want to like standardize yours, those people selling chemicals also have packaging rubbers, containers you can use, maybe for companies, schools. But if it's for people in your streets, your friends, your families, you can just pick maybe containers around, those Pepsi containers, soft drink containers, you can just use them. And that is all. I made 25 liters of liquid soap, and it came out so fine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't just watch alone, implement it, share, subscribe. This is the outcome. Bye.